You know that awkward moment when someone says, "Hi, how are you?" and your brain just freezes?
Every single time, even with one simple question.
Today, that ends. Welcome to day one of SophieTalk's 30-day English challenge, where we don't just learn English, we speak it. Hello, everyone. Welcome to SophieTalk. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Leo. Day one, first day of the challenge. I'm honestly a little nervous.
Nervous is normal, Leo. Actually, nervous is a good sign. It means you care about doing this well.
I like that. Nervous means I care.
Exactly. So for the next 30 days, we're building your English, one small day at a time. No pressure, no perfection. Just practice.
30 days. Okay, let's actually do this.
Today, we're focusing on just one thing: greetings and introducing yourself.
Just greetings? That sounds almost too simple for day one.
It sounds simple, but most learners still hesitate here, even after years of studying. So today, we make it automatic. Let me give you a picture for this, Leo. Think about greetings like the front door of a house.
The front door. Okay, I'm picturing it.
If the door is stuck, nobody wants to come inside, no matter how beautiful the house is. But if it opens smoothly, people relax immediately.
So even if my English is good later, a rough start makes people hesitate.
Exactly. Today, we're oiling that door until it opens perfectly every time. Before we start, one small thing. If you're doing this challenge with us, please subscribe to SophieTalk so you get day 2 tomorrow automatically. And turn on notifications too. You don't want to lose your streak. Okay, let's start simple. Leo, imagine we just met. Introduce yourself to me.
Okay, hi, my name is Leo. I am from Seattle. I living here 3 years.
Good start. Small fix though. Not I living. We say I've been living here for 3 years.
I've been living here for 3 years.
Better already. Now, what do you usually say after nice to meet you?
Nice to meet you too.
Exactly right. Simple, but it matters so much in a first conversation. Here's something most learners never think about, Leo. When someone asks, "How are you?" do you always answer, "I'm good"?
Pretty much every time, honestly.
That's fine, but native speakers mix it up. "I'm doing well," "can't complain," "pretty good, thanks," even "living the dream" if you're feeling playful.
Living the dream. I need to use that one.
Try answering me 3 different ways. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. Actually, pretty good. And living the dream, I suppose.
All 3 sound completely natural, Leo.
It's a small thing, but saying the same phrase every time did feel a little robotic.
It's a small thing that makes a big difference in how alive your English sounds. What about asking someone else's name? Try asking me.
What is your name?
That's correct, but a little formal, almost like an interview. More naturally, people say, "Sorry, I didn't catch your name."
Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
Perfect. That phrase is incredibly useful, especially in group conversations when names get lost in the noise.
That happens to me constantly, actually.
It happens to everyone. Now you have the exact phrase to fix it politely. Let's act this out properly. Imagine a work event. I'll walk up to you first.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi there. I don't think we've met. I'm Sophie.
Hi, Sophie. Nice to meet you. I'm Leo.
Nice to meet you too. So what do you do?
I work in marketing. What about you?
I'm a teacher, actually. I help people learn English.
Oh, that's great. Actually, I'm working on my English right now.
That's wonderful to hear. Well, it was really nice meeting you.
You too. Have a great day.
Leo, that felt completely natural.
It actually did. I didn't even stop to think.
Let's try a more casual version now. Same idea, but imagine we meet at a friend's birthday party instead.
Oh, totally different energy. Okay.
Hey, I don't think we've met yet. I'm Sophie.
Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Leo. How do you know Maria?
Oh, we've been friends since university. What about you?
We work together, actually.
Oh, that's lovely. So, are you enjoying the party?
Definitely. The food is amazing.
It really is. Well, it was great chatting with you.
You too. Let's talk more later.
Did you notice the difference, Leo?
Yes, actually. This one felt more relaxed, shorter sentences.
Exactly. Hi there. I don't think we've met. For work. Hey, I don't think we've met yet. For a party. Same idea, different energy.
The same skeleton, different clothes.
I love that, Leo. That's exactly right. Now, let's try something on the phone. That's actually a little different. I'll call you.
Okay, ringing. Hello?
Hi, is this Leo?
Yes, speaking. Who's calling?
Hi, this is Sophie. I got your number from Maria.
Oh, hi, Sophie. Nice to finally talk to you.
You too. Is now a good time to talk?
Yes, perfect timing, actually.
Notice that, Leo. Speaking and this is Sophie. Very specific to phone calls.
Oh, that's true. I wouldn't say this is Sophie if we were standing face to face.
Exactly. Small context changes, small language changes. One more. A video call this time. Imagine Maria just added us to a call together.
Hi, you must be Sophie. Maria's told me a lot about you.
Hi, Leo. All good things, I hope.
Only good things, I promise.
It's nice to finally put a face to the name.
Same here. I feel like I already know you a little.
Beautiful, Leo. Put a face to the name. That's such a natural phrase for video calls.
I've never used that phrase before, but I really like it.
One more. A very common one. Running into someone you already know on the street.
Oh, this happens to me all the time, and I never know what to say beyond hello.
Let's fix that. I'll bump into you outside a shop.
Okay, I'm walking.
Oh, Leo, what a small world. I haven't seen you in ages.
Sophie, wow, yeah, it's been a while. Have you been?
Really good, thanks. Just doing some shopping. What about you?
Same here, actually. Just grabbing a few things.
Well, it was so nice bumping into you. We should catch up properly sometime.
Definitely. Let's do that.
What a small world, and bumping into you. Both perfect for this exact situation, Leo.
I say small world in my own language constantly. I just never had it in English before.
Now you do. Last scenario, and this one is a little different. A small mistake, actually. Let's say you accidentally call someone by the wrong name.
Oh no, that's happened to me. What do I even say?
Try it. I'll be a new coworker named Anna, and you call me Emma by accident.
Hi, Emma. Nice to... Wait, I'm so sorry. I meant Anna. That was embarrassing.
Perfect, actually. That was embarrassing is exactly what a real person says in that moment.
Good. I thought I broke the role play.
Not at all. Real mistakes make real conversations. No worries, it happens all the time is a great response too if someone says that to you.
No worries. It happens all the time.
Now it's shadowing time. This part moves a little slower because I want you to repeat every sentence out loud right after Leo does. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
I've been living here for 3 years.
I've been living here for 3 years.
Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
I don't think we've met.
I don't think we've met.
What do you do?
What do you do?
It was really nice meeting you.
It was really nice meeting you.
How do you know Maria?
How do you know Maria?
We've been friends since university.
We've been friends since university.
It was great chatting with you.
It was great chatting with you.
Hi, is this Leo?
Hi, is this Leo?
This is Sophie.
This is Sophie.
Is now a good time to talk?
Is now a good time to talk?
It's nice to finally put a face to the name.
It's nice to finally put a face to the name.
What a small world.
What a small world.
I haven't seen you in ages.
I haven't seen you in ages.
We should catch up properly sometime.
We should catch up properly sometime.
I'm so sorry. I meant Anna.
I'm so sorry. I meant Anna.
No worries. It happens all the time.
No worries. It happens all the time.
Great work, Leo. 18 sentences, and every single one landed clearly.
My mouth actually remembers now. That's a strange feeling.
That strange feeling is exactly what fluency feels like at first. Word 1. Introduce. To introduce means to tell someone your name for the first time. For example, let me introduce myself.
I introduced myself to my new neighbor yesterday.
Perfect. Word 2. Casual. Casual means relaxed, not formal. For example, this is a casual conversation, not an interview.
I prefer casual conversations over formal ones.
Word 3. Acquaintance. Someone you know a little, but not a close friend. For example, he's just an acquaintance from work.
I have a lot of acquaintances, but only a few close friends.
Word 4. Awkward. Uncomfortable or embarrassing in a social situation. For example, there was an awkward silence.
Like calling a coworker by the wrong name.
Exactly like that, Leo. Word 5. Approachable. Friendly and easy to talk to. For example, she has a very approachable personality.
I want to be more approachable when I meet new people.
That's a beautiful goal. Word 6. Coincidentally. By chance, without planning. For example, coincidentally, we were on the same flight.
Coincidentally, I ran into my old teacher last week.
Word 7. Catch up. To catch up means to share news after not seeing someone for a while. For example, let's catch up over coffee.
We finally caught up after months of being busy.
7 solid words, Leo, a real foundation for day 1. Quick quiz. What do you say after someone says, "Nice to meet you"?
Nice to meet you too.
Exactly right. What's a polite way to end a first conversation?
It was really nice meeting you.
What phrase do we use on the phone instead of "I'm Sophie"?
This is Sophie.
And what do you say if you accidentally call someone the wrong name?
I'm so sorry, I meant... and then the right name.
Last one. What phrase means meeting someone by chance, then talking about news?
Bumping into you and catching up.
5 out of 5, Leo. Flawless.
That actually feels really good.
So today, day 1, we practiced greetings, 18 shadowing sentences, 6 role-play scenes, and 7 new words.
Work, party, phone call, video call, running into an old friend, and even a mistake. That last one felt the most real, honestly.
That's because mistakes are real, Leo. Pretending they don't happen would have made today less useful, not more.
I actually feel less scared of messing up now, not more.
Why do you think that is?
I think because I heard the fix in real time. It didn't feel like a rule in a book. It felt like something that just happens and gets solved.
That's exactly the feeling we're building day by day. Language as something alive, not something perfect.
Language as something alive. I like that a lot.
Tomorrow, day 2, we're talking about your morning routine and how to describe your day naturally without translating in your head.
I need that one.
What's our golden sentence for today?
Tell me.
A stranger is just a friend you haven't greeted yet.
I love that. I'm actually going to try that this week.
Who do you think you'll try it with first?
Honestly, probably that neighbor I always just nod at in the hallway.
Small door, big step. I like that.
Don't compare yourself to day 30. Compare yourself to this morning. You're already ahead.
See you tomorrow for day 2, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Keep speaking.